Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm glad to be back. I probably will sniffle during this show because I do have some allergy problems. Anyway, what this is, and it's not any spirits or anything to drink, but it's a radio, and it's one of 12 radios that Jeff King brought me last week to review on my show. He brings these radios down, he loans them to me. So I have something a little different. He has some really unusual radios. And we're going to start with this one right here. And we're going to take it out here. This is a pocket transistor radio. Now keep that in mind. Okay. Here we go. There it is. Let me see if I can zoom in a little better. Kind of far away there. There, that's better. That's max zoom there. This is it's kind of faded out here, but right here it says Vanguard 888, and it's got a picture of a Vanguard missile. And it's made by Emerson, and it's supposedly a pocket radio. Look at the size of this thing. And heavy, I would guess this thing weighs a couple of pounds. So you're not going to put it in your shirt pocket. It's an AM only radio. Has 8 transistors. There's you can see that writing a little better there. And it says never break, never break. I'm not sure what that exactly means. Pocket radio. Pocket radio. Now maybe this is for like a trench coat or something. I don't think it's for a shirt pocket. And this is up here, Emerson Radio and Photograph Corporation, New Jersey City, New Jersey, USA. Pretty cool radio. It's got this little flip stand. There you go. You can stand up. Like I say, it is heavy. I mean, even if you carried this around in your hand would quickly get tired. Let's see how it sounds. Here we go. We have, where I live in the Tampa Bay area in Florida, we have a lot of Spanish stations. Another Spanish station. Wait, maybe this radio only will tune Spanish stations. There we go. Good audio. Very good audio. Volume is just barely... matter of fact, I got to turn it down so you can hear me. Volume was maybe at 1/8 volume. Very loud. Let me just turn it up a little higher. I'm not going to turn it all the way up because I don't want to just hurt you. That's too loud for me, and I'm about halfway on the volume. And it's very linear. It doesn't all of a sudden jump up to high volume. It comes up very slowly like it should. I don't know. Let me turn it off here. I'm going to quickly see, and Jeff said I could open these things, which is probably dangerous. I'm going to see if I can quickly get this open without too much to do. That's one thing about these older radios. You got to be a little careful opening. So it's got 2 big screws right here. I don't know if this screwdriver, yeah, it'll work. So we got it turned off. We're going to slowly open it to look and see what's inside. I bet you it's got some big batteries too. That's probably part of the weight. It's probably not AA or AAA batteries. That's my guess. Let's see if it's going to, oh, okay. And maybe it's not going to open easily. Oh, here we go. There we go, there. Oh, I was wrong. It does have, let's see if it says. No. Look like it's got 4 AA batteries. Okay. It's a massive circuit board. Unfortunately, I'm at my higher level resolution on my camera, so I can't zoom in anymore. And I got it set on fixed focus, so if I bring it up too close, it's going to go out of focus. But look at these circuit traces. They are really thick, fat circuit traces. Oh my gosh. And it's got all kinds of discrete components. Look down in there. That's where all the weight's coming from. I mean, the speaker alone is this massive, when you think of a portable radio. It's not big, it's just heavy. That's probably why the audio is so good. Yeah, that explains the weight. I mean, the circuit board is really thick. And those traces, copper. This, you can tell that this circuit board was etched with old technology. I mean, it was made by Emerson, but those traces are heavy traces. If you look inside a transistor radio, a newer transistor radio that has circuit traces, some of them nowadays don't even have circuit traces. The circuit traces, that's these lines here, are flat, very thin and very flat. This is thick. These circuit traces, I don't think it'll show up, but they are thick. Amazing. Okay, let's carefully put the cover back on. Line things back up. Let's see, this goes there, goes there. Okay. Oh, and then in the inside, let's see, it tells you the batteries. Yep. AA batteries, 4 AA batteries. And it can also use mercury batteries, which I don't think you can get anymore. Pretty cool. Oh, right. Let's put this back down. Carefully. There we go. Nice and smooth, even. Put the screws back in. Maybe we can successfully open and close this case. And again, I want to thank Jeff for bringing me these radios, loaning me these radios. Some of them, I told him when he showed me what he brought me this week, I said, well, boy, some of these I might not get back. You'll see in the upcoming radios, 12 of which I have this time, what I'm talking about. This screwdriver is not the good screwdriver for this. Not a very good screwdriver for this. There we go. Snap it all back in place, and there we go. See if it still works. Nope, that detuned it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's it. Again, this is the Emerson Vanguard Pocket Radio. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.